Hi, I'm Allison, the founder and owner of ABC Organizers Unlimited. I provide tailored solutions to enhance productivity and help you achieve work-life balance. Today, I'm walking you through how to buy any digital product, made for Canva, from my website, how to download it after purchase, and then how to upload it into Canva. Let's start by showing you how to buy any digital product, made for Canva, from my website. First, let's navigate to the product. For a direct link, scan the QR code or just click the link in the video description, or if you prefer to enter it manually, in your web browser type in https://www.organizersunlimited.org. Next are the steps to take if you are entering the URL manually, in your web browser. For this tutorial, I am using the Halloween planner product, to show you the steps, but the steps are the same for any product made for Canva. Step 1. Navigate the menu to Shop Now, then click on Digital Planning Products. Step 2. Scroll down until you find the product you want to buy and click Add to Cart. Step 3. Then, click View Cart. Step 4. Next, click Checkout, and click on Credit, Debit Card, or PayPal. If you choose Express Checkout through PayPal, just follow the PayPal prompts. If you choose Debit, Credit Card payment, just enter your contact details and then click Continue. Step 5. Now, double-check your details to ensure accuracy. Step 6. Lastly, read and agree to the terms and conditions and the privacy policy. You can also opt in for marketing communications, if you wish. After payment, you'll be redirected to the thank you page. You will also receive an email with a link to download the product. Either way, you can start using the product right away. Next, how to download the product and upload it into Canva. Step 1. Check your confirmation email for the download link. If it's not in your inbox, check your spam folder. Step 2. Click Download on the thank you page or in your email to get the PDF file. Step 3. When you open up the PDF, you will find the links. Step 4. Click the link, which will take you to Canva. Step 5. Now, log in or sign up for Canva. No pro account needed. Then in Canva, navigate to the File menu, and click on Make a Copy. Now that product is in your Canva account. Step 6. Lastly, go back to the PDF and click the next link and just repeat Step 5 in Canva to upload it to your Canva account. Now for the fun part, I am going to show you how to use any product in Canva. Step 1. In your Canva account, first open up the product. Step 2. Next, review the product. Take note of any sections that you need to edit or that you don't want. Step 3. Start to customize the planner to fit your style, then add, edit, or delete any sections. Step 4. Now, it's time to type in your details, or you can just delete all the text and then print it out, blank, if you prefer to handwrite your details. Step 5. Lastly, save the planner to your device or print out the blank or filled-in planner by clicking Share, and then choosing the download format. And that's how to use any product made for Canva. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more content.